Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today I'm over here in Kissimmee, Florida. I'm right across the street from, actually if I turn the camera around, right across the street over there is Margaritaville Resort. Actually right behind these buildings here is the Animal Kingdom Resort. But I'm interested in checking out this new plaza here. So if you're coming down towards Disney and you're looking for some shopping, some eating, this is pretty decent location. So come on in. Check it out. I'm gonna be honest, the one real thing I'm curious about is this store called pOpshelf. I've never heard of this store. I don't even really know what's in it. I know Roberta and her mother just went in, but I'm interested in just kind of seeing what it's about so I can share it with you guys. So it's called pOpshelf. It's been open for several months, I'd say, but let's go in and check it out. Hi. So here's our first impressions. It kind of reminds me, okay, my first impression is Five Below and a dollar store mix.
I can't show in the video because I'm trying to get things for Jake.
Oh, Roberta's already in here, but let's just take a look around. I can show you some of the stuff they have in here. So right when we came in, of course, Roberta's mom's here from Brazil visiting. Right when we come in, they have like some holiday stuff. Oh, they even have some clearance. What I'm interested in is prices. So here's some of the clearance things just to see. A couple dollars. $2.50. I don't think that's much of a clearance because I work at Publix and these are usually 2 for $4. Maybe not so much. But let's just see out of curiosity how much something would be like a Barbie. Okay, here's just a simple Barbie doll. $6. Okay, so they have like these dots on them. Maybe that's what they mean by pOpshelf. I don't know. So $6 for a Barbie, I guess, isn't too bad. Let's keep moving. Let's see what else. So they have these different like little Christmas candies. $15. 12 coffees of Christmas. Oh, pretty neat. Old Wisconsin. So kind of like a knockoff of Hickory Farms, right? Kind of reminds me of the Hickory Farms. This one's 15. We got 15 for the sound. I'd say, just in my first impression, I don't think it's that cheap. I really don't. I think it's kind of, some things maybe, let's see, we got $5 for like socks, I guess. Oh, well, you get 3 pairs. I'd say that's pretty good for the holiday socks. All right, let's do a little bit more investigating. Let me see what else we can come up with in here. Something kind of cool in this store too is the checkout's right in the middle of the store. Check it out. It's like a self-checkout. And they actually have balloons and things you can get here. All right, so now you can get a big can of soda for like $1. Some of the candy's $1, some of it's $2. Let's see. It's interesting. Like I said, I've never been in it. And in my mind, I'm really, to me, it's reminding me more now that I'm kind of getting in here. A little bit more like, I'd say, like a Five Below more than a dollar store, I think. And like some of the stocking stuffers. $5. Lots of the card games. So maybe they're kind of like pOpshelf. Like if you think about Five Below, when you go in Five Below now, there's a lot of things that are not below $5. There are things that are $5 and below, but there's a lot of things above $5 now. So maybe pOpshelf kind of decided, you know what, let's make our own store, and instead of labeling it like everything's this price, we'll just call it pOpshelf. They do have a lot of different things. They have some crafts. Let's go check out some of the crafts. There's lots of the different craft things here. So you got your acrylics, color paints here, you got brushes. A lot of this stuff, to me, I'm not like huge into crafts, but I mean, for $4, that's a lot of paintbrushes, right? A couple dollars, you get a variety pack there. Whoopsie. And on Medling World, we always try to respect, so let's put this right back to where it goes right there, $4. So just to kind of show you, if you're into crafts, they do have a lot of the, like the canvases, I should say. These ones look like you can already paint them. So that looks like maybe it's a kit. It's $5. Does it come with everything, or is it just... Oh yeah, and it comes with the paints for $5. That's kind of neat as a gift, right? Something you might give as a gift. Let's go over here. So you can do your wreaths. They got things to make wreaths. I like the Christmas music in here too. It's kind of relaxing. I would say definitely crafting is what's standing out for me. The holiday and the crafting so far is really what's sticking out to me. That's a lot of stuff for crafts. And even have some jewelries. But look, this is all like craft stuff here. And different kits you can get. $5, $10 for some. Party stuff. So you got like your piñatas, your decorations, napkins, theming. Kind of like just kind of basic theming. I don't see like Mickey Mouse or, you know, like Nintendo or, you know, Minions or anything like that. But I do like the partying and the crafting. But let's go see what the home. So here's some of the home, guys. Some of the home things. So they have the picture frames. And, you know, this is kind of a nice thing for 12 bucks. So I'm starting to feel a little bit better now. I'm starting to maybe see that there are some pretty cool things here that you can find some good deals. And there's some other things that are a little bit more expensive. Oh, like 25 bucks for the lamp, but it's pretty nice. I still think maybe a Kia or something, you could probably find one a little cheaper. Lots of the wicker baskets, 12 bucks. I know baskets aren't cheap as it is. Oh, this is nice. Like, again, the holiday stuff did stick out to me, and all these bags are $1. I'm looking, well, there's a couple of the bigger ones are $2, but most of them are all $1, which is pretty good. So that's not bad at all. And they have some clearance from the fall now, from like more Thanksgiving and fall. I wanted to go back over here and look at the beginning, though, where we first came in, where Roberta said she didn't want me to show if she was getting something for Jake. Oh my gosh, look at these Pringles. A Pringles jigsaw puzzle. That's pretty interesting. $6. But yeah, you can see they even have like chairs in here and stuff. Pretty neat. All right, let's go find Roberta and see what she found. Oh, guys, I'm over here in the market area now. I found Roberta. She was calling me over just because she said, wow, look at all this. And I did talk to the associate in here, and she said a lot of people were saying the same thing as me, that they feel like it's kind of like a Five Below, but with kind of less electronic stuff and concentrating more on the home things and the party things. I would definitely say it's a competitor for Five Below. Oh, look at all this stuff too. So you got your kitchen things here, but I wanted to see just for food, just for the heck of it, guys. Let's take a look. So we have some of these quick little grab and go snacks. And guys, I want to remind everybody to please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. We vlog all around Central Florida. We do a lot of Disney World. We do cruising, so we do international travel also on our channel. We do Universal, SeaWorld. But this area here, this whole plaza, and I'll go back outside and I'll show you some of the other stores. I'm not going to go in them all, but I'll kind of show you what's in this area. Again, this is right across the street from Margaritaville in Orlando, and just a couple minutes away from Disney World, especially if you're staying over by like the Animal Kingdom resorts over in there, just like 5 minutes from there. So yeah, they got lots of the drinks, so it's a little bit cheaper than I'd say like if you went to a 7-Eleven or somewhere like that. They got the Monsters, the Red Bulls, couple bucks. So I'm noticing some of the beverages not too bad, a little bit cheaper than a lot of like convenience stores. Definitely the ices are $1, so not too bad. But let's see. Oh, there's a lot of food, actually. A lot of food, a lot of snacks, chips, not too bad. Most of them are like $4 to $4.50. Good though, if you were like in one of the resorts or hotels around here, you could come in here and grab snacks for sure without having to go into like a Target or especially Walmart. And beef jerky. There's Roberta. And let's see. Oh, they have like some utility things, flashlights, a little bit of everything. Hi, Roberta. Roberta, what's your impression here?
So it's like very similar to Five Below.
I mean, everybody's saying that.
But
that I've been talking.
Some stuff it's better than the dollar store.
Yeah.
It's cheaper because now the dollar store is $1.25.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, now it's like some stuff you can find for $1, but not everything is. So it's good, but they have neat stuff.
They have cool stuff, yeah. Like their home and their crafts, very nice.
Yeah.
So guys, I think that kind of wraps it up in here. Let's start heading outside. I even have pet things. Before I do though, let's just have a quick look. So yeah, you can get your like bags, all this stuff, candies, plenty of candies. So yeah, lots of good snacks. Oh, actually over here too. It's like I'm almost showing you the whole store at this point. I mean, I pretty much showed you the whole store. You got all your, you know, holiday stuff where you first walk in. There's more art stuff, lots of crafts. Again, no guys, the home, the crafts, and the holiday stuff is really what's standing out to me. So guys, we're not gonna end the vlog yet. I want to go outside, and I just kind of want to pan through so I can show you some of the other things that are over here in this plaza if you're interested in coming here. All right guys, so I'm kind of out in the parking lot because I just kind of wanted to show you pOpshelf right behind me, but I wanted to walk over here because I wanted to show you guys that they do have a Lazy Dog cafe here. That's kind of like comfort food stuff. It's kind of neat too because they do have a patio. It is called Lazy Dog. Now you cannot bring your dog inside Lazy Dog, but as far as my research goes, on the patio, dogs are welcome outside on the patio. And it's kind of like comfort food. They have things like, they have these like TV dinners you can get to go as well that are kind of neat. And they have like chicken nuggets, things like that. So that's Lazy Dog. Over there is Portillo's. They're kind of known for their hot dogs. They also have burgers and things like that. So both of these here. And over to the left side, I don't think you can see it too good from here, but that's Kiki's. That's a breakfast cafe. So they're known for their breakfast over there. So again, right across the street over there, Margaritaville, right over there past those trees is Animal Kingdom. So you're right here in the middle. And now let's walk over here so I can show you a couple other stores that are here. You guys can probably see from here. You got a Burlington Coat Factory over there. You can get all kinds of different clothing, home goods, things like that inside. Marshall's again, kind of like a TJ Maxx. Marshall's, TJ Maxx, kind of very similar. And I think there's like a little knockoff Disney gifts. So now these are not have any way affiliated officially with Disney. These would be third party. These would be second, you know, I don't know the word I'm looking for, but off brand. They're not officially from Disney parks, but you can get things in there a little bit cheaper than if you were in the parks. So, and there's going to be much more in here because this is still all getting built up. But for now, that's what you're going to find here, guys. And again, good alternative if you're down here hanging out. Lots of hotels. This is Route 192. Actually, you can see a little bit of that water park over there across the street. That's H2O Live, it's called. And that's right in front of the Margaritaville Resort. So I figured I'd switch up the vlog a little bit because Roberta's mom came in last night. And we just kind of course, Roberta's mom gets here. She wants to go shopping and stuff. So a good chance to get out and show you guys a little bit, some different things on Medling World too. So we do feature some of the retail things from time to time as well. So a little bit of a different vlog for us, but happy to share some of this, especially people traveling. So guys, please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. Thank you to our Patreons. And last but not least, see ya!